my team in data mining, the way we work with SAS is mainly using the tools for the predictive analysis. So we use the SAS Enterprise guide to explore the data that we have, to manipulate the data that we have, to find patterns and to clean the data that we have, because just like any company, of course, we have problems with data quality and various origination systems that we have to try to integrate and prepare an analytical base table ready for modeling. So SAS Enterprise Guide is an indispensable tool in this process. Not only is it easy and intuitive, but also it's because of the visual layout, it's very easy to discuss as a team the steps that have been taken and maybe discuss whether the steps were appropriate or not, how we can tweak the process. And then once the data is ready, we pass on to the modeling stage, whereby we use SAS Enterprise Miner to apply advanced analytical algorithms to analyze that data. And the algorithms we use range from more classical statistical-based algorithms such as regressions to more machine learning algorithms such as neural networks or random forests or many other algorithms. And within the statistical package that we have the possibility of analyzing each model and seeing what are the strong and weak points, combining them together in some ensemble models, for example, picking the best model and then saying, okay, this is the one I'm going to use, this is the one I'm going to use to score my clients, to make a prediction, and then deploy in the marketing campaign. On the quantitative side, we are still, I wouldn't say we've reached great maturity in data analytics, but we have results to show that it is working. So we've had long ongoing campaigns that were started in the past, and we've observed that on average, after we introduce the leads based on advanced modeling that we do with SAS Enterprise Miner, the results, the success rate goes up by about 88%. So this is a result we're very happy with, and the business is also happy with that. But it's not only the success of the leads in terms of the sales potential. We can analyze the propensity of the client to leave the company, propensity to churn, of cannibalization of policies, by which I mean canceling existing policy and issuing an equivalent but cheaper policy, which is not what we want as a company. And we have managed to improve not only the success of our leads, but the quality of the leads in terms of building stronger and longer lasting relationships with the clients. We also do things such as we identify across all the leads that we generate, we identify the very hot leads, the people we think have the highest propensity to buy, and we've observed that the success rate of those is 79% on average for various campaigns, higher than for the other leads, which are also very good. So we have some figures to back up the claim that the data analytics is working, that we know what we're doing, but of course there is much more to do, and we have constant feedback loops after the campaign is deployed to feed the data back into the model and improve the models further and inform our future models and future decisions, business decisions and analytics decisions. SAS is an extremely convenient and powerful tool in a business environment. I feel that in a business environment we'll constantly have in data analytics, in the work of data analytics, we have two forces at play. On the one hand, we have the accuracy of the model and the quality of the prediction made. On the other hand, we have the business constraints, which are typically to do with timing. We want quite quick production time, and we want to test and learn from the models as quickly as possible. And in my experience, SAS Enterprise Miner is a perfect tool for that because it has incredible flexibility in terms of the type of model that you can employ, but also in an industrialized way, in a sense that the tool is very intuitive, it's very quick, it seamlessly integrates with the data manipulation steps that come beforehand and the deployment of the model which comes afterwards. And I feel it has been a critical factor of success for us. I will additionally add, I'm not quite sure if you will use it, that we have some data scientists who come and work for us, and they want to work with other technologies, typically on a more programming side, programming languages, because this is what they've learned more in an academic setting. And once they learn, we say no, we work with SAS, once they learn the power of this tool, how amazing it is in a business context, because of managing these two forces, they always become convinced quite quickly. So in trying to motivate our data scientists, we of course allow as much flexibility as they want and using the programming languages that they want. And for example, our code can be integrated into our SAS Enterprise Miner workflow, because we don't want to stifle innovation and ideas that our data scientists have. But from the business perspective, we try to integrate as much as possible within the SAS workstream, because we found it works for our company.